What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 9 big tech stocks. But before we start this video, please show some love here on this video by hitting that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find these videos are helpful and you want to get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading in my Discord, check out the Patreon link below in the description. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any new videos I post. And now let's get right into it with Tesla. On Tesla, another flat day and again coming down to 164.35, holding on to 165.33 as a support, white line 20 SMA on this daily chart. So this thing is holding white line 20 SMA as a support into closing at 166.52. So tomorrow, guys, 165 gives up. There is no doubt Tesla will fill this gap down here at 162.95. To the upside, Tesla can hold 165 and break 167 to even 168.29. Then Tesla heading higher and possibly getting up to 177. It's a simple chart on Tesla. Below white line 20 SMA, 165. It's going to fill this gap down here at 162.95 and then possibly will go even lower all the way down to 155. To the upside, it needs to break 167 and also 168.29 right here, blue line 5 SMA, and then Tesla heading higher to retest negatively sloping red line 50 SMA sitting at 177. And now we're going to look at Apple. On Apple stock, absolute flat day, and Apple was trying to break out today, got up to 173, and if you look at my screen, rising blue line 5 SMA right here, sitting at 172.71, getting rejected, and now sitting at 172 at the closing, and looks like tomorrow we could be retesting 171 right here, orange line 13 SMA, 170, 169 also is support, white line 20 SMA, and then watch out for the gap down here at 166.81. To the upside, Apple stock needs to break 172 right here, 172.71, rising blue line 5 SMA, and if that holds as a support on Apple, then we're going to see more upside all the way up to 176. And now we're going to look at Meta. So Meta, absolutely flat day, and yesterday I got some puts on Meta 235, and luckily this thing opened at 235 today, took my profit and ran. And look at this, after hitting 235, this thing went back up to almost 240 and now trading at almost 239. So taking profit on something like this is always a good idea. Now Meta holding 237 and 235 as a support, blue line 5 SMA. Going into tomorrow, there is going to be a key level 237, 235. Below that, watch out for a quick trip down here at 229.15, rising white line 20 SMA, and then 220. To the upside, Meta can hold 237. We're going to see another leg up all the way up to 248 on Meta. And now we're going to look at Nvda. On Nvidia stock, another monstrous rally on Nvidia and another new 52-week high here on the stock, 298.70, guys. Now Nvidia was getting extremely overbought, extremely overextended, trading above upper Bollinger Band, and then end of the day we saw a pullback down to 292 and now sitting at 292 at the closing. So Nvidia got that breakout above 289 to 290 and now that is holding as a support. So tomorrow on a pullback, watch out 290 to 289, blue line 5 SMA as a support, and below that also have support 285 to 80. To the upside, Nvidia can hold 289 to 290. We could see another trip back up to 298 to even 300, and now look at this Bollinger Band tomorrow. This thing will expand all the way up to possibly 298 to even 299, and that means what? Above 290, this thing can move back up to 300 again, and that is possible. This is a strong bullish trend on Nvidia. It's not going to just roll over and die easily. And now we're going to look at AMD. On AMD stock also another massive rally up 4.19% and now holding 100 as a support, but also getting extremely overbought, extremely overextended, trading above upper Bollinger Band. So tomorrow on a pullback, watch out for the support and the breakout 100, and below that blue line 5 SMA 97.65, and then down here at 92. To the upside, AMD can hold 100. We could see a move all the way up to 105 on AMD stock. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. On Microsoft, it's up 0.74% and now trading above, finally getting that breakout above 310, and that is going to be a strong support going to tomorrow. Below 310, watch out for the support at 308.23, 13 SMA right here, and then 300. To the upside, 310 can hold on Microsoft, and look at this, guys. And I said it before also that it's going to hit a new 52-week high, and we got another one today. 313.71, almost 314. So 310 can hold. We're going to see another new 52-week high on Microsoft, and that could be possibly 320. So watch out for a pullback and Microsoft to hold the support 310. If not, it's coming down to 308.23 and then 300. 310 can hold. We're going to see 320 possibly on Microsoft. And now we're going to look at Amazon, which is up 1.98%. So massive rally on Amazon. Also almost got up to 115. Amazon also will find resistance at 115. And now that this thing also getting extremely overbought, extremely overextended, trading above upper Bollinger Band, we got that pullback after 114.79 and now trading at 113.40, just holding upper Bollinger Band as a support. Below that, on Amazon, also have support at 111.45, and then watch out for 109, and then the gap down here at 106.79. Tomorrow, Amazon can hold 113 right here, 113.40, or even 111.45. We could see a push back up to 115, and then we got another gap all the way up here at 125.50. I know that is a long way up here, but at some point I think Amazon will get there to 125.50. So definitely on a pullback, Amazon is a dip buy if you're looking to buy the dip on Amazon. And now we're going to look at Google. On Google, stock is up 2.68%, and that is a massive rally on Google. This thing actually went all the way up to 121.20 and now holding 120 as a support above upper Bollinger Band. So on a pullback, a real support on Google stock to the downside for now, 116.83, blue line 5 SMA, and the gap down here at 113.51. To the upside, 120 can hold. The next move on Google stock, definitely 123.26, and that's where we got rejected before, and that is gonna be even more overbought on Google stock if that happens tomorrow on this stock, because we're seeing gap ups and Google just running, not even pulling back, not even giving away a dollar. Yesterday this thing was down, I think 80-90 cents, and look at today, up $3.13. So Google stock with that buyback, this thing is on fire, and I think we're going to see more upside. But in the short term, just like Amazon did, this thing needs to come down and retest the breakout 109 to 110, and that would be a healthy level to get in here on a swing trade on Google stock. Until then, guys, this thing here definitely not at a buy zone at this level. I'm actually shorting, getting some puts, only a small position, nothing big, but I think Google will come down to 113.51, and then possibly will come down to retest the breakout down here around 109 to 110. And now we're going to look at Netflix. On Netflix, is down 0.64%, but look at this, end of the day it's holding 333 as a support, and that is holding the breakout, guys. Also, I said last night, the big money is just rotating the money in between mega caps, and today Netflix is down. Apple got a flat day, Tesla also flat, but look at Google, Amazon, mega pump, right? Massive. Nvda, AMD. So tomorrow it could be Netflix. Watch out. 333, a big level, a big support on Netflix. Also got the gap on top, 335.54. So this thing holds 333. We're going to see a trip all the way up to 335.54 to close that gap on top. Also have resistance at 338 blue line 5 SMA. 333 gives up, then watch out for the support 329, 328 white line 20 SMA, 324.72 red line 50 SMA, and there is gonna be a lot of support on Nflx below 333. I don't think it's going to break 324.72 tomorrow, but if that gives up, then we could be coming all the way down to retest lower Bollinger Band, which is sitting at 313.64. Nflx can break above 337.94 or 338. A quick trip all the way up to 340, 342 again possible on Nflx. And that's all I have for you guys in this video.